Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's progress bar block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. So to get started, let's open up a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So if you're on your website and you're logged in, anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on your dashboard, simply head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page to work with. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the parameters and so on will end up for us to toggle and configure. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's a blue button over top left corner over here. Click on that. This is called the block inserter. You can either scroll down or search for the block, but since Stackable is on top of list, let's scroll down to look for progress bar and just drag and drop that anywhere on your workspace. Let's click on toggle block inserter just to close it up and give ourselves some more room to work with. And it's kind of hard to see, but here is our progress bar, and hopefully you can see that it says 50 over here. All right, there we go. It says design over here, it says 50 over here, and then the rest of it ends up over here. The parent block is progress bar, as you can see, and for layout we can change these. These won't do anything. We have our block size and spacing, our margins and padding, and so forth. And first and foremost, let's go ahead and mess with the label, just because it's hard to see. So text color, let's make it white. Okay, and then it says design. Let's say, okay, and then for prefix, right, first dollars, and then for this one we can say right, and you can see how many we've done, right, and this number just changes there. So let's go ahead and remove these, right, and change it up. All right, you can use a slider or anything within 100%, right. We can also change how much the ratio is, and it's going to be automatic for us. And then we can change our width, right, if we want to have a smaller progress bar, and our height as well if you want to make it thicker. We can also change the border radius, right. We can also apply the border radius in the inside. I won't for this. The bar color, we can make it any color we wish. Make it purple. And then for the background color, let's make it red. Probably, that's fine. And then for animate, this one will only see this once we're on the live side, but let's go ahead and enable that. And then for background, we can enable the background. Okay, as with anything, it can be an image or a video, and we can put a border radius on our background as well. And last but not least, our advanced settings, which are just the usual general hard position settings with some attributes, responsive settings to hide us on desktop, tablet, and/or mobile, and our HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. So let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our progress, and then we can view it on our live site. Okay, with that done saving, let's click on View Page, and you can see that it animates on our live site. So let's see that one more time. That's Stackable's progress bar block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.